Welcome back everyone, Mike and Melissa here today. And what today's video about is Melissa wants in on the action, the firewood action. See, over the years I have sold a lot of firewood to neighbors and friends and things like that, and that's usually like my gun budget. It's kind of like the extra money. Well, we did a couple videos. I'm kind of turning it up a notch on the firewood production, and Melissa wants in on the action. Now, have you ever split wood before?
Yes, with an axe or a maul.
So you've never used a log splitter?
Ripping it apart by hand.
So just ripping it apart by hand. All right. So she's never run a log splitter, so we're going to go over that. And something else that's kind of important, even though we've been married for 20...
Well, it feels like 40, 50 years, but it's been 27.
27 years we've been married. It's best to kind of work out, the financial end of it, because it's kind of a partnership, separate from our marriage, I guess you could say. So what she's all, her first offer is I do like 70% of the work.
She'll be 30.
And she'll do 30% of the work.
That equals 100% of I'll keep the money.
And you want all the money.
Yeah.
Now see, we need to renegotiate on that, but we'll work that out. First though, we're going to go over how to run a log splitter safely, keep your hands out of the way, things like that. Now you gonna have time to do this?
Yeah, I figured this out. I get up at 4:20, I leave for the gym at 5:15, get back from the gym at like 6:45, get Hunter ready, get him to his day program, get back to the gym for an hour, and I'll be back here to get at least an hour or two in before lunch.
So you go to the gym twice before 10 o'clock in the morning?
Yep.
All right. And so then this will give you another hour.
Right.
Or 2 hours of working out. Yeah.
See? It works out perfectly.
And so I think all we got to work out's the financial end of it.
Yeah. No wonder you do the clap. I get it.
All right. Well, we're going to get started here. I'll show you how to run this thing safely. And
okay.
Because you're in a trial period right now, actually.
Oh, yeah. Okay, then you're in a trial period too. Is it full start?
Yes, it is.
Oh, is it really? It's on a button.
No. So before you get started, you got your gloves on, and you got earplugs, and let me see, you got boots?
I might split my pants trying to put my...
You got your boots on. All right. So this here runs the ram in and out.
Right.
You'll have your right hand on that ram.
Okay.
And your left hand, you'll put it on a log. Why don't you grab a small log and throw up there. All right.
Oh, does it go back against her?
No, the ram, you can put it up against there, you can do whatever, but the ram will push it up tight against that.
Okay.
So what you'll do, once that log's on there, sometimes the bigger ones you'll have to balance it with your hand, and you'll run this in. Now if you let off of this, it'll stop. It won't go in. But it is best to keep it up against there as far as you can.
Okay. And
don't ever have your hand in between the log and that thing.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Because it will smash your fingers in a second.
Okay.
You never want to do that. And so what you'll do, you'll run the ram in until it splits.
Okay.
And then when you just push it back like that, it'll retract automatically.
Okay. I watched you several times.
All right.
Okay.
And let's see what else.
What about, so like this knobby thing here, so do I put it a certain way?
That's a good question. Normally I like to kind of turn them on edge, so that's like sticking straight up in the air a little bit. And then you'll kind of get two equal pieces. Okay. You know what I mean?
But it doesn't affect?
No. This splitter will go through really anything that we have, no problem at all.
Okay.
So what you can do, you can start it up, and we're just going to go real slow at first. So I'm going to watch everything you do, make sure your hands are staying out of the way. Come over to this side. All right, you'll just have to turn it on. You probably won't need to choke because it's been running. Flip that to the right.
Oh, got it. I was using my other right. Ready?
So you got about half a basket full. That took like 35-40 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, and you know what? I won't even charge you.
You won't even charge me.
Today will be free.
Today will be free. So normally it takes about 1 hour to fill in those baskets, but for the first time, I think you did really well. Did you have any close calls or anything with your gloves? Nothing?
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's the whole thing. You keep your hand where that log hitting up against that plate, and just make sure your hand's nowhere near that. And always remember, just let go of that other one. It'll stop, you know.
Okay.
But also, I want to mention, today's actually Saturday. You'll see this video tomorrow, Sunday. And then Monday evening, actually Monday at 2 o'clock, you'll publish the Woodstack 2018. All the finalists have been determined. We'll put them all in one video. We'll go over the instructions on how to vote. Not too many people follow the instructions very well, but we'll be very clear how you have to submit your vote in the comments. But there's some really nice...
yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, people did a really nice job. And I'd like to see, I think it did pretty well though for the first time ever trying this. We've had a couple hundred entries, something like that.
Yeah.
And I think if, you know, I think everybody enjoyed it, and the winners are definitely going to enjoy their prizes. They're going to get a black diamond log splitter like this one, the Log Aux 3-in-1 forestry tool, and a Steel MS 261 Pro Series saw. And then there's some other little prizes, and there's Mingo markers for some people, Accu marks, some t-shirts. We'll provide some t-shirts. But I think if everybody enjoyed this, we'll do it again next year. We may set up like a website or something,
right.
A little bit better way. There was a little bit of confusion on the Facebook page.
Yeah.
It was the first one, but I think all in all it's going very well. But yeah, and I think if it gains legs a little bit, next year we'll probably have a whole bunch more prizes and be able to do like top 3s in each category,
right.
or something like that. But anyway, so I'm gonna have to hire like a contract lawyer or something to try to negotiate down that 100%.
It'll be okay, Mike.
It'll be all right.
It'll be all right. You're fine.
Yeah,
I'll take care of it.
All right, we'll see how it goes. But so far, you kind of don't mind splitting wood?
No, I love it.
All right, it's nice to be outside.
Yeah.
Something to do.
Yeah.
Not that you don't have enough to do already,
I know,
but,
right.
but neither of us do. But anyway, that's it. Maybe Melissa will make some videos during the day, splitting wood and doing some of the things around here while I'm at work. And
yeah.
I'll just edit at night.
Sounds good.
Because it's getting dark earlier every night, so everyone's kind of got to chip in here.
The leaves are beautiful. Everything's changing into the fall and winter season. We'll be turning the clocks this weekend, right?
Tonight.
Tonight.
Yep. So that's when you leave for work in the morning, it's dark, and you get home, it's dark.
I know.
It's not a fun time of year. But anyway, we better wrap this up. So like we always say, you know, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button and share them with your friends. That is really important. You know, we always just kind of say that, but it is important. The channel has really been doing well lately, like unbelievably well. And I'm really thankful for that, and I appreciate it. But yeah, comment, like, share. We like to hear where everybody's from and how you do things.
Yep.
Thanks.
Thanks. All right, going downstairs.